In 2019, Tesla showcased for the first time their Tesla CyberTruck, which is a modern-looking battery-powered light-duty truck. Depending on the model, the EPA range estimations range from 400 to 800 kilometers per hour, while the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour speeds range from 2.9 to 6.5 seconds. Join us as we dive into this video explaining every detail of Tesla CyberTruck. Tesla's objective in developing the CyberTruck is to deliver a long-term energy substitute for the nearly 6,500 trucks fueled by fossil fuels that are sold every day in the United States. The vehicle's rear-wheel drive version will begin at approx $40,000, whereas all vehicles will begin at $50,000. Production of the tri-motor AWD and dual-motor AWD Cybertrucks was originally scheduled to begin in late 2021, followed by the RWD variant in late 2022. However, this has been pushed back to early 2023. In 2013, Elon Musk discussed his plan to build a pickup truck with load-compensating suspension, comparing it to a Ford F-250. Musk estimated in early 2014 that development of the gadget would take 4 to 5 years. In April 2022, Elon Musk accompanied the newest Cybertruck prototype to the Cyber Rodeo event in Texas, where he introduced a new feature: no door handles. The Cybertruck is meant to detect your approach and just understands when the doors need to be opened or closed. In addition, Tesla reportedly decided to let the truck's rear glass to drop, which would increase the Cybertruck's carrying capacity. The planned pickup truck has a suspension that can automatically level itself to accommodate for changes in load, and some of its models include all-wheel drive. According to the firm, further standard features will include onboard power converters that are capable of producing electricity at both 120 and 240 volts. This will make it possible to utilize power tools without the need for a portable generator. There is a built-in air compressor that can be used to power pneumatic tools. It has been reported that the outside sheet metal made of stainless steel is resistant to bullets. It is anticipated that all vehicles will come standard with Tesla Autopilot, and it is planned that all vehicles will have the hardware capabilities necessary for completely autonomous operation. Musk stated that there would be an option for a solar roof that would increase the vehicle's range by 15 miles per day. Starting in November of 2019, Tesla started taking pre-orders for the Cybertruck with a deposit of $100 and offered a full self-driving option for an additional $10,000. According to a statement made by Tesla in 2019, the company anticipated that the EPA range of the Cybertruck will be anywhere from 250 to 500 miles, depending on the configuration choices made. The interior of the prototype that was presented to the public on November 2019 featured a center display measuring 17 inches, seating for 6 individuals provided by 2 bench seats with the front middle seat functioning as a fold-down center armrest, a digital rear-view camera-based mirror, a steering yoke reminiscent of race cars, and a dashboard with a surface that resembled marble. It is possible to load long freight that extends into the cab from the vault thanks to the back middle seat's ability to fold down. Paper composite material was used to create the marble-look dashboard of the revealed prototype vehicle. This material was composed of paper, natural wood colors, wood-based fibers, and non-petroleum-based resins. The bed of the pickup truck is expected to be 6.5 feet long, which is about the same as the bed of a common pickup truck. Slanted side walls and a projected integrated automated sliding shutter-style tonneau cover to improve the car's aerodynamics are included in the design. The purpose of both of these elements is to make the truck more agile. Because of the added security it provides, Tesla calls this 100 cubic foot enclosed room the vault. Extensive underfloor space behind the rear wheels and a pressurized air outlet for pneumatic tool use are all included, as are 120-volt and 240-volt AC outlets, LED light bands along both sides, and LED light strips down the bottom of the unit as well. Even though long freight has a pass-through to the cabin, there is no aperture toward the front of the bed that correlates to this characteristic. Elon Musk hinted in a tweet that the lodged climate control system might be accessible in the vault for other purposes, including camping. The tailgate-to-ground freight loading ramp that was showed off on the prototype but not disclosed in any official manner was a characteristic of the truck. The CyberTruck employs unibody construction instead of body-on-frame construction, since a standard vehicle structure would interfere with the underfloor battery pack. Cold-rolled, 3mm thick 30X series stainless steel body panels, which are unable to be stamped like standard automobile parts, are used for the vehicle's construction. It's possible to make only straight bends on the panels, which results in an interesting faceted structure that's been called low-poly or origami-like. As SpaceX utilizes their Starship rocket, this material distributes stress more evenly and creates more inner space. In order to increase the Cybertruck's durability, Tesla opted to utilize stainless steel instead of titanium for the vehicle's outside paneling. Two of the Cybertruck's armor glass windows were cracked when Franz von Holzhausen hurled a metal ball at them during its unveiling at the Tesla Design Studio in Los Angeles. Tesla had claimed that the windows were virtually unbreakable during the demonstration. The ball didn't get through, but it'll be fixed. A demonstration previously had resulted in the glass being chipped, since the door had been smashed with sledgehammers. At the end of the presentation, all-terrain automobiles were driven onto Cybertruck ramps constructed within the tailgate. Plugging into the Cybertruck's onboard power supply recharged the Cyberquad's batteries. In addition to the Cybertruck, a separate ATV package will be available. Traditional media and online blogs or social media covered the presentation of the Cybertruck extensively. The harsh contours and distinctive appearance were despised by many social media commentators. Following the introduction of the Cybertruck, Tesla's shares dropped 6%. Elon Musk tweeted in 2019 that in the first 1.5 days after the announcement, Tesla received 146,000 pre-orders, each costing a $100 refundable deposit, with 42% choosing the dual-motor configuration, 41% choosing the tri-motor configuration, and 17% choosing the single-motor option. Later, the number had risen to 250,000. On Twitter, a video of the Cybertruck tugging a rear-wheel drive Ford F-150 uphill received 14,000 comments and 619,000 likes. Several news outlets pointed out that this was not owing to the Cybertruck's better horsepower or torque, but rather to its weight. Cybertruck was named Concept Car of the Year for 2019 by Automobile Magazine back in January 2020. For the production of the Cybertruck rear chassis casting, a Giga press die casting machine capable of 8,000 tons of force has been ordered already. According to Tesla's website, the Cybertruck's production was postponed until 2022. Production was pushed back to early 2023. The overall addressable market for full-size pickup trucks in the United States is over 2 million units per year. If the Tesla network of shared vehicles becomes available in the United States and around the world, it has been suggested that the Cybertruck will be able to use it to make revenue. Automotive safety organizations, such as the Australasian New Car Assessment Program and the Euro NCAP, have criticized the Cybertruck's design for failing to meet pedestrian and bicycle safety regulations. The truck, in its current configuration, would likely not be street legal in Australia or the European Union. These two bodies have generated concerns about the exoskeleton exterior's high stiffness, which leads in a shortage of crumple zones, as well as the vehicle's tall, flat front, which could worsen the severity of leg injuries. With Tesla constantly bringing amazing innovation to the world, I want to know, what are your thoughts about this one? Let me know down in the comments below. I am excited to see what you got for me about this. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much everyone for watching. I have got some amazing videos waiting for you. Click on these and I bet you'll be amazed.